Hi everyone, welcome to Cook Like a Japanese channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make gyudon, beef bowl. Gyudon is one of the super popular dish here in Japan, and we got lots of gyudon restaurants out there like Yoshinoya, Matsuya, Sukiya. So if you ever visited here, you might have it once or twice. I believe homemade version is as good as the gyudon restaurant version. So why don't you try? To make it, it's super easy. Alright, let's get started. Yeah, the main ingredients for beef bowl gyudon is three. The first one is sliced beef. The second one is half-cut onion. The third one, last but not least, bowl of rice. You know, we got 4 steps to make gyudon. The first is to cut the onion in a bite-sized piece and make the broth with half cup of dashi, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, milling 2 tablespoons, sake 1 tablespoon, and put the onion in it. Soften the onion. After the onion gets soft, go on to step 2. Step 2 is to put the beef in the pan and shimmer it till it gets nice and brown. Step 3 is to prepare a bowl of rice and put those shimmer stuff on the rice along with the sauce. Step 4, the last step, is to put the garnish like cut chives and pickled red ginger. We call it beni shoga. So easy, isn't it? Alright, let's go on to step 1. Step 1 is to slice the onion. Alright, next thing you do is making the broth with half cup of dashi Japanese soup stock, soy sauce 2 tablespoons, sake 1 tablespoon, milling 2 tablespoons, and sugar 1 tablespoon. I forgot to tell you, but you need grated ginger as well. Right, grate it. Right, now the ginger is grated, so why don't we get the broth boiled? Now the broth get boiled, so put the onion into the pan and make it soft with medium heat. Yeah, now the onion is soft, so why don't you put the beef into the pan? Yeah, shimmer it till it get nice and brown. I believe it's gonna take 5-6 minutes. Now 4 minutes have passed. Looks great, isn't it? So why don't we go on to the next step? Prepare the bowl of rice. Right, yeah, it's time to plate on a bowl of rice. Ooh, looks great, isn't it? Wow, I love this. Good smell. Yeah, for the garnish, put cut chives along with the pickled red ginger. We call it beni shoga. It looks colorful. Right. Now your gyudon beef bowl is ready. Alright, thank you for watching. You know, to make gyudon is super easy, wasn't it? So why don't you try it at home? Anyway, please put thumbs up button, subscribe, and put some message down below. Thank you for watching. Take good care. Arigato. See you soon. Bye.